Hi friends, it is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and this is my weekly invitation. And yes, I'm talking to you. I would love to have you drop in today on my live show inside the app at 12 noon Eastern time. And guess what? We are opening the show in my grow room. It takes a lot of technology to be able to do that, y'all. And I'm going to be just kind of going through the bits and pieces in here. So join me 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. Inside the app, you get to see more, do more, be a part of it more. It's free. It works great. Just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, or you can just type app right here. And I just want to say I hope everybody's doing okay through the hurricane. The rain is just so frightening, as is the wind. I've been through several hurricanes, and we are skimming so far, not really getting any kind of really big threats from it other than some rain that we really actually need. But thinking about all you guys, I'm seeing the pictures on social of people with damage and, tough going. So be safe is what I can tell you. That's the most important part. Don't underestimate water, for sure. So 12 noon Eastern time, I will be going through this, showing the harvest. Suzanne's going to be demonstrating our flower arranging accessories. So we have a great show lined up. So if you're stuck inside in the rain, I hope you can join us. I always give something away every single week. And to be able to enter the giveaway, you have to be in the app. You can watch us on social, but you just can't interact with us. So the app is free. It works like a gym. Won't take but a few seconds. Download it. Comment app here if you want a direct link to it, or just go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. At noon, get your lunch, get a beverage, and let's snuggle down for, an hour of, talking stuff, farming and gardening and seeing flowers. And I have a lot to say about eucalyptus today and those rooster peppers. I got some great samples of both of wide window harvest. And can't wait to see you there. So I'll see you 12 noon Eastern time, Fridays. And, in the app, you can watch replays. And if you can't join me at 12 noon, if you have the phone app, you can go back and watch the replay. So you can see what the deal of the day is and what the specials are. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you're going to join me there. So I can't wait to see you. So see you 12 noon Eastern time, friends. Ciao.